This is a Maytag electric dryer. And here is the model number. And it has a defective switch right there. So the switch needs to be changed. It only works intermittently, sometimes not at all. Here is the switch part, which I ordered directly from Amazon after getting the correct door switch model number. Switch was only about $7 on Prime, and that included shipping. And I'm going to show you how to change that switch because it's not apparent of how to get access to it. The first step would be to disconnect the dryer from the power. So we'll do that. Then you only have 4 1/4 inch screws to remove from the dryer back. The new switch attaches to the power cord in only one direction because of the keyed plastic housing. So no need to worry about plugging in the new switch in a wrong direction. The old switch has been removed. The 1/4 inch screws have been replaced on the dryer top. We've plugged it in again. Now we'll give it a try. It's running, and it has stopped running. Before, the switch, you would open the door and the switch didn't operate, so the dryer would continue to run even though the door was open. Now it's repaired. This whole repair should take no longer than about 30 minutes. One note: when ordering from Amazon, the part number on the old switch matched a Kenmore dryer part number for less than $7. Obviously it works.